Hello, good morning. Grab your cup of coffee and let's get into change, right? Because we've been talking about this. And it's not something you want to wait for, it's something that you want to change by yourself. Like you decide by yourself that you want change in your life. So you are the one that makes your life change and have growing pains, right? Because then you are on top of it and you can control it. As to where if you don't change, we've come across, then life will help you change. And those are always painful and most of the times really expensive. So, how do I help you to change? Is by answering your questions. So, I'm hearing you. Kimberly, I don't have any time in the day. You do. You have at least 2 hours because all you need is 2 hours to make that change, right? And then I hear, but I'm not tech savvy, right? You don't have to be. You don't have to be. I'm not. And I do this, right? I'm really not. I go through and I get online and I basically tell you what I'm doing. I tell you the bolts and nuts of it all and exactly how it goes. That's where the to be completely honest comes from, right? Okay, so then let's talk about you're in business for yourself but not by yourself, right? I know anybody in an MLM has heard that one before, right? But in all honesty, this one is true because of the fact that this is an MRR. This is master resale rights. So whatever you sell, you get 100% profit, right? So if you sell the minimum product, then you will get the minimum balance in your checking account, right? Make sense? And you scroll through all of social media and you keep hearing about daily pay, daily pay, daily pay, daily pay. Daily pay doesn't happen at the very beginning because why? Because people have to get to know you, right? That's what you're doing with me, right? Getting to know me. And so I have started making money, yes, but I am not at the daily pay line just yet. But you know what? I ain't giving up because on trillions and trillions of dollars when it comes to digital marketing in 2 years, I want a piece of that. I think you want a piece of that. So together, we will work this and we will make this happen. See? Okay, so then from there we have the ease of the building the website. They give you the website. It's almost on a silver platter, right? And all you have to do is insert your name. You have to insert your website, right? Because you have to get one of those. And so a couple photos and a little bit about yourself and you're done. That's it. That's all there is. Okay, but then they're going to teach you how to use all the social media platforms, right? So whether you're on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, man, it doesn't matter. They're going to walk you through as if you've never been on the platform before, but they're going to walk you through exactly how easy this is going to be, right? And so there's no more going to the grocery store with a calculator because you're living paycheck to paycheck, right? We're not doing that anymore because we are moving forward, right? And we're going to put 2 hours a day towards this business. And I would be ecstatic if you would come with me and I can help you because I am a creature of service, right? It does my heart good to be able to help people and help people out of predicaments that they're in, right? And so I bought the Legacy Builder program, right, with that in mind. I'm like, you know what? She's making millions, right? The owner of this company is making millions, but she is making millions on what she sells. She don't make a dime off of me. She don't. And she don't make a dime off of the lady that I bought from. The lady I bought from gets to keep 100% of the profits that I gave her. Okay? And so that's where I want to be able to help you. Following me? And we'll just continue to grow and change and work this all together. So you guys be sure that you leave a comment if you have a question. If I'm not answering your question, that's because you didn't leave it in the comment. So leave your comments, leave your questions, and let me help you. Let me help you reach your goal. Achieve your dreams. Man, I can't even talk today. But it's still going out just like this because that's me. And if anything, I'm real. So where am I? Well, I guess I will see you tomorrow because that's it for me. Have a great day.